Today I'm making the legendary Saltimbocca alla Romana and you won't believe how easy it is. Are you ready to turn your kitchen into the best Italian restaurant in town? For this authentic Saltimbocca recipe you need thin veal cutlets. Of course, original Parma ham known as prosciutto di Parma is essential. Now place ham slice on the veal cutlet and lightly press it down with your hand. Ensure the Parma ham doesn't fall apart. Then reach for the fresh sage leaves, an essential part of the original recipe. Depending on the size, place 1 or 2 leaves on each Roman veal cutlet. The sage adds a fresh, slightly bitter note that harmonizes perfectly with the other flavors. Now use a toothpick to secure the prosciutto and the sage leaf to the meat. This technique ensures that nothing slips during frying. Take the flour and spread it evenly on a plate. We use all-purpose flour. The flour isn't just for breading, it also plays a crucial role in preparing the sauce. It helps to bind the fat and meat juices and create a velvety emulsion. Gently roll the meat on both sides in the flour. Shake off any excess and then set the cutlets aside. Take some butter and melt it in the pan. The butter should not be brown, so it retains its fresh, nutty flavor. Now add the meat to the pan. Fry it over medium-high heat for about 2 minutes per side. Turn it carefully to ensure even browning. It's important that the veal remains tender and juicy, so take care not to let it dry out. Have you ever tried Roman-style veal cutlets? Share your experiences in the comments. Now is the time to season the meat with a little salt. And now the highlight: white wine. We use a white wine from the Umbria region. This wine has fruity notes, a pleasant acidity and little sugar due to its dryness, which makes it ideal for savory dishes. Fill up a glass and then pour it into the pan. The wine intensifies the flavor and together with the flour and the meat juices creates a delicious sauce. Let everything simmer briefly until the alcohol has evaporated and the sauce thickens. And here is your Saltimbocca alla Romana. Do you need a side dish? Click here to prepare delicious broccoli.